Hello, little artists! Are you ready for a fun and easy drawing today? Today, we are going to draw a beautiful flower. Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a circle in the middle of the paper. Nice and round, just like this. Now, let's draw 5 petals around the circle. Draw 1 petal, 2 petals, 3 petals, 4 petals, 5 petals. Wow, your flower is starting to look beautiful. Now, let's decorate our flower. Draw some small lines on the petals. Add some tiny dots to make it look extra pretty. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete.
Yay!
Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Amazing work today, little artists! You did a wonderful job drawing and coloring your flower. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing lessons. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.